Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to move League of Legends into another drive step by step. First, make sure your Riot Client is completely closed. Then open File Explorer and go to Local Disk C. Open Riot Games and select League of Legends and choose to cut option. Now go to your desired drive. In my case, it's local disk D, and select a folder. Once you have selected the folder you want, paste it here. It may take some time, so be patient. Once it's finished, close the app and open Riot Games. Go to Home and select your League of Legends. Sometimes you may get the option to install it again. If that happens, just click on Already Installed and select the League of Legends folder, and it should appear exactly like it's appearing now. And be ready to play, and that's it. You have successfully moved League of Legends to another drive. For more quick tutorials, check our next DelftStack tutorial videos.